Artificial intelligence is everywhere. And now with AI Agent Army, you can create your AI agents all from the click of one button. Welcome to Software Safari. I'm Toby, and I'll be taking you through AI Agent Army and all that it has to offer. You log in with your email and your password. Then you can see on your dashboard, you can see AI agents, AI graphics, your trained chatbots, text to image, image to image, text to GIF, text to audio, your stocks, your assets, the leads you have, and also white label and settings. On the dashboard, you can choose to upgrade, and you can also take a look at the number of leads you have, your assets, the workspace, text to image, image to image, and text to GIFs. You can also see quick links like AI agent, the assets you have, tutorials, you can manage your clients, you can take a look at all the workspace you have, and you can also choose to integrate. So let's create one workspace. You should click on add, enter the workspace name, create workspace. When you create a workspace, get an intro into everything that you can use AI Agents Army for. For example, you can see on dashboard, get familiar with your dashboard and make the most out of it. Your assets, you take a look at the assets that you own. You take a look at the stocks that you own. You can take a look at the leads that you have. Your white label for your own branding, and you can also take a look at your settings. Let's take a look at our quick links. We have 0 leads, we have 1 asset, we have 3 workspaces, created 1 text to image, created 1 image to image, and created 1 text to GIF. Let's take a look at AI agents. On AI agents, you can have discussion with multiple agents. As the name implies, AI Agent Army, you have multiple AI agents at your disposal. From investment managers to accountants to financial analysts to marketing planners to sales planners, talent coach, motivational coach, life coach, and so much more. You can choose to check them based on category, be it business, coach, education, health, leisure, specialist, and a lot more. So we can pick, let's pick Emily Clark, an accountant. Let's give a simple prompt. I want to know the best way to manage my accounts. Wait for a response. And get a response from the AI agent, our accountant, Emily Clark. So you can choose to start a new conversation, or you can continue the conversation if necessary. Next, we'll take a look at AI graphics. On AI graphics, you can create different web conversions for your page. You can create for Facebook with a lot of templates that already exist. Any graphic you create will be stored in your assets and you can take a look at them whenever you want to. Next, we take a look at trained chatbot. On trained chatbot, you can create chatbots for your website to bring answers to questions that your users might have. You can create one, an overview, the welcome message, you decide what welcome message you want, and you can choose responses to specific questions that could be asked by your users. You can edit the theme, you can edit the profile. Next, take a look at text to image. On text to image, you can generate images through text. You can choose what form of image you want to generate, be it oil paint, robotic, watercolor, and more. Then you describe what type of image you wish to generate. Next, take a look at image to image. On image to image, You can drag and drop your image and ask AI to reinvent the image into something else based on your existing image. Next, take a look at text to GIF. Here, you can generate GIFs based on text that you input. Next, take a look at text to audio. On text to audio, you can generate audio based on text that you input. So let's take an example. We input our text. You can choose the type of voice you want, whether if it's a standard voice or an AI voice. You can also listen to the voice examples.
Hi, my name is...
Hi, my name is... Hi, my name is Kendra.
And when you're satisfied with your title, with the text, with the output volume, the speaking rate, you can also choose to spin the content. So this rewards your already existing content. Don't forget, you can always make changes. When you're done, you synthesize the file. You can choose to download or you can choose to listen.
Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Immediately, we'll be...
Next, let's take a look at My Stocks. Here, you can access images, you can access different media at your disposal. Take a look at My Assets. You can see all the work that you have done saved in My Assets. And you can take a look at the leads that you have. And you can choose to export those leads as CSV files. Next, take a look at White Label. On White Label, you can rebrand the AI agent platform. You can use your logo and you can use your content for AI Agent Army. In settings, you can choose to manage the workspace that you've created. You can manage the clients that you have. You can take a look at the tutorials. You can take a look at your subscriptions. You can choose to integrate with other platforms like MailChimp, Aweber, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, and a lot more. You can also reach out for support. You can take a look at bonuses that are available to you on AI Agent Army, and also you can take a look at the session that you have. As you can see, AI Agent Army is a very useful tool and has a lot of benefits when made very good use of. This is Software Safari. My name is Toby, and don't forget, a link to AI Agent Army is in the description of this video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.